As a field service provider, staying on top of service, inventory, billing, and accounting is challenging. Every minute of equipment downtime limits profitability. Dispatching, routing, work order assignment, and inventory management all take time away from the sales and service activities that generate revenue. Running your business with multiple disconnected systems requires manual data entry, multiple spreadsheets, duplication, and double checking. It's inefficient and risky, especially as your business grows. That's where eAutomate comes in. If you install and support security systems, ATMs, commercial refrigeration, or if you're a dealer or supplier of banking, food service, HVAC, or heavy equipment, eAutomate is a fully integrated cloud-based ERP solution that saves companies like yours time and money by providing insight into every aspect of your business. There's no need for multiple systems because you can manage all of your daily business processes from a single tool. Accounting, service dispatch, and asset management. eAutomate lets your office staff and service techs focus on solving customer concerns and growing the business, instead of wasting time on simple admin tasks. With eAutomate, you always know exactly what you have on hand, what needs to be ordered, and where inventory is. eAutomate provides real-time insight into your company's profitability, ordering, and service history. Over 1,700 customers trust eAutomate's cloud-based software to keep them running efficiently and get the job done. And we've been doing it for more than 20 years. Reduce your overhead. Maximize your profitability. Give your service teams what they need to close calls and jobs. eAutomate. How field service providers get business done. Contact us today for a personalized demo.